ceiling fell on me and my stepdad as we sat throughout the night around 3 in the morning, and we were covered in fiberglass and insulation. That was a real long and scary night for me, and I don't really want to experience that again.
We're going to come back stronger from this. I guarantee you. We're going to come back stronger. This is a terrible thing that happened, but we're going to find the good in it, and we're going to come back stronger, and I promise you we're going to be a Cowboys team, and we're going to win it with command. It's not even going to be a close game. You understand me?